In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the dynamic checkout button on your product pages, a feature also known as accelerated checkout. This is an incredibly useful tool that can help you streamline the purchasing process for your customers, ultimately enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing your conversion rates. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to get this set up on your online store. First, let's begin by navigating to your online store theme. This is your base for making any changes to how your store looks and functions. If you're not sure how to get there, remember that you usually access this through the admin dashboard of your e-commerce platform. Once there, you'll see a list or a visual representation of your current theme. Look for an option that allows you to customize or edit the theme. This is where all the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page where you typically see the preview of your homepage. Here, you'll notice a small downward arrow. Click on that arrow to reveal a drop-down menu of available pages. From this list, you're going to choose the Products section, and within that, select Product Default. This specific section is crucial as it defines how your individual product pages appear to the shoppers. Once you're in the Product Default section, the next step is to focus on the Add to Cart or Buy button settings. You're going to find this under the section where you would typically see such buttons on your product pages. Take your time to explore this area because sometimes these options are tucked under expandable menus or accordions for a tidier display. Now here comes the exciting part. Right underneath the Buy button section, there should be an option or a toggle switch labeled as Dynamic Checkout Buttons. What you want to do is turn this on. This feature, when enabled, introduces a powerful tool for an accelerated checkout experience. It allows customers to bypass the cart and proceed directly to payment, using popular payment methods like PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, which can speed up the whole process considerably. When you activate the dynamic checkout button, what you're doing is enabling a button that adjusts to offer your customers the fastest checkout experience possible, which can be especially beneficial for those shopping on mobile devices. Be sure to save any changes you make, which is often required in the top corner of your screen. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the dynamic checkout button on your product pages, providing a swifter, more seamless purchasing journey for your customers. As always, remember to test this on your site to ensure everything operates smoothly and provides the intended user experience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!